I know why you're here. Don't deny it. Don't try to hit fast forward because you want to cheat. You are here to see DAC, Diamond Art Club's sneak peeks this week. So I'm going to turn the camera around and let you enjoy purple birds, maroon pens. Oh my goodness, you're not going to want to miss this. Okay, so we have flipped the camera around and we have this beautiful Diamond Art Club round. I love that right off the hand on the box, you know easily that it is a round. Like I said, this is gorgeous. If you love purple, you love flowers, you love birds, you're going to love. This is Everlasting Love by Jody Bergsma. And I don't know about you. I have a couple of hers already. And as I'm opening this, I'm going to show you some of those different things that she has. So if you're looking to get the free shipping by ordering more than $75 from Diamond Art Club, definitely check out some of her other pieces. I'm excited to see. This one is a 50.7 by 69 centimeters, which comes out to 20 inches by 27. I'm really excited that it's round. My last couple of DACs that I've purchased have been square. And I'm really excited. The box is all-inclusive, see back for contents, and it tells you all what the kit contains, how to do it, how it works, and it also has the oops, I did it again, insurance, which basically means if you spill drills, if your child shakes some stuff off, etc., etc., you have that. So I'm going to show you. It comes with a lovely picture. Some people put it on the end of the box, so when they put it on their shelf, they know what's in. You could put it in your logbook, whatever works for you, in your journal, in your calendar. Some people put it in their happy planners, but that way you know what you're getting. Now, one person said, open the toolkit. That's what I want to see because it's always a surprise. We never know the type of tools we're going to get. Now on the back, it tells you what the tools are. And we're going to take these out super quick. All right, so you're going to get washi tape. You're going to get some baggies. Get some pink wax in the heart. I have a 4-placer, multi-placer right here. I have this cute little elephant cover minder. Oops. And I have the tray with the stopper, so you can pull the stopper out and put the stopper in. And somebody said that they liked that they went back to the white trays because the clear is hard to see your drills. You also have, I think this is a 7-placer. And look, this is matched. This is fun. Look at the color of this. I've not seen, it's like a maroon color with a squishy. So we're going to put this back in real quick so that I don't knock it over on the floor and have my dog decide it has an extra toy. Okay, so here it's in the plastic. So your painting is completely protected. It's in that big Diamond Art Club box. Then you've got the sealed wrap. Then you've got another box, and then you have a bag. Beautiful. It's got the velvet feel backing. It's got the Do What Makes You Sparkle Diamond Art Club. You'll see up here the keys in the upper left. There's also going to be a key in the bottom right. We're going to unroll this. Now, I was excited to see the rendering of this because it is, to me, it feels like a watercolor, and it has this trace around the bird, and I wanted to make sure the rendering looked good on that and didn't look tacky or dorky. It's kind of like a 3D feel. These beautiful blue flowers. You've got the purple flowers here. There's the 3 hummingbirds. You have one flying, one sitting one direction, one sitting the other. 60 colors in this painting. And what I love about this painting is it has colors that you together that you normally do not get. Okay, so if you do separate your drills from your canvas, it does have Everlasting Love, which is what it's called. And then these are the gorgeous colors. And it looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs. Anything below a 150 is an AB. But these colors are just so rich. You know, you've got your vibrant paintings, and these are the rich. I love 327, absolutely gorgeous. But these are just rich versus, I mean, they're vibrant, but you know, they're not bright orange and etc. All right, let's see where, okay, so you've got an orange AB in here. You've got a brown AB. Looks like you've got, I think there's a light blue AB in here. Let's see. And then you've got like a, looks like a tan. I'm looking. Yeah, oh, here's your light blue, 101. And I'm looking for the tan. I don't want to undo all of this because I can never get it back. I can never get it back. So we're going to flip this. We're going to put it back in here. I want to know what the artist, Jody, thinks of seeing her paintings in diamond painting form. Like, Jody, do you have your own paintings at home for diamond painting, or do you stick with your artistry? And of course you get the stickers. These peel off, and then this is one big rectangular sticker. The start date, the end date, tells you what the shape is, the size, the SKU number. You have your thank you for your purchase booklet, and like I said, you've got your little sticker as well. But let's get up close and personal with these birds so that you can see the symbols. Extremely clear. The rendering is even better than I thought. Like, Diamond Art Club does a great job showing us the photo. Sorry, I have a really bad shadow right here. So I have a shelf. So there's the photo, and then they show you the rendering photo. Let's turn it sideways. Maybe you can see a little bit better without the shadow. We're just going to turn it just a little bit. Yes, so that's absolutely gorgeous. Hands down, highly, highly recommend this. Oh, so beautiful. It is poured glue, and the symbols are very clear, and they do have a light. They're doing a much better job on what I call the training circles. Very light on the white, and it looks like they've gotten rid of the circles. That's interesting. Okay, so yeah, let me know down below what you think of Jody's artwork. What are you going to be purchasing over the next week or so? And I'm super excited to see what you're working on next. Let me know in the comments. Until next time, be blessed, take care, love you all, bye-bye.